My name is Subhra and welcome back to another new video series on the dictionary web app making. So in this series we are going to make one particular web app which is capable of finding the meanings of a word provided by an user. So this series is consist of three major parts. So the first part is web scraping, and second part is the REST API building using Flask, and the third part is web app making. So this video focuses on the web scraping part. So the first thing is, what is web scraping? So web scraping refers to the extraction of the data from the websites and storing that particular those scraped data in a new format. And so there are several less expensive softwares exist for web scraping, but we will be using a beautiful soup library for our project. So you have to install Jupyter Notebook, and of course you need this particular library, that is your BS4 libraries, as well as you need to install this request, and from this BS4 you need to import beautiful soup as BS, right? So this is the libraries you need, and what I will do is I will just run this particular command. Okay, so it's running, and let me do some zoom. And these are the libraries I need, and this is a particular website I am going to scrape, right? So now in this website, if I search, let's say happy, what happened is, you can see this particular URL, right? So when I am searching for happy, this particular word happy, this particular URL is responsible to finding the result, search result, right? So if I just write here sad, so it will be give me the meaning, this particular search result, right? So I need this particular URL to scrape the entire data, right? So what I will do is I'll just come here and store it in a variable. It will be this. And now what I will do is I will yeah, and now I will write format. So of course guys, I am always want to be happy, so I will write happy, not the sad one. So just to run this one, and now it comes the major part, that is this header. So what is the function of this particular header? So this particular headers tells to your browser that yeah, you are not a bot, you are a person who is looking for the data, right? So this is the job of this particular headers. So let me run this, and now what you need, you need that HTTP response. So what you will write is response equals to request requests dot get, and this particular method needs two parameter, that is your URL, and then it needs header, and this headers will be equals to headers. Okay, and I want to read that response in a text format. So if I need to convert it into text, and if I now okay, so now I will write soup, soup equals to this particular instance, that is BS, right? BS, and inside BS I need to pass two things, that is this response and the format, and format will be XML, right? So if I now run this, so now this particular soup contains the HTML page, right? So this is the HTML page, and okay, it will be happy. Okay guys, so this is the HTML page which is here, right, inside the soup variable. So now if I just go to inspect element, uh, and what I need, okay, definition wrapper. So this particular class, you can see this particular class. So this particular class div, this div and this class, this definition wrapper contains this particular meaning, right? So again, if I just go here and do a inspect, I will find, yes, here it is, this definition wrapper, right? So I need to scrape this definition wrapper, and if I able to scrape this definition wrapper, then only I can fetch the meanings, right? So for that, what I need to do, I need to perform this particular thing, soup. I need to write this particular code, soup, and then I need to write find all. I need to write find all, and inside this I will pause this div. So if I just write this div, what will happen is this particular command returns that how many divs are inside this particular soup. But I need this particular class, right? Definition wrapper. So I will just go to this edit HTML and I will just copy it, right? And now I will just come back to here and now paste it, and this class will be like this. So okay, so it looks like additional divs are there. So if I just write text, so it will just fetch all the text. Okay, so it gives an error. Why this error is to find? Okay, so I need to call find. So uh, instead of find all, this particular text can be performed on um, find, right? So if I performing dot text, so I have to write find, because it can't, it's not applicable to each and the all the divs, right? All other results. So this is the fast meaning, but I need to fetch all the meanings, right? I need to fetch all of these meanings. So how I will do that? So I will be let me store this in a variable, right? So I will be store this in a new variable, and I will write soup dot find, and inside this I will write find all. Actually, I will write find all, and I will repeat this thing. I will copy it and paste it, right? So now I have all the data points, right? And if I now iterate it in data, and then if I write print I dot text, then I will be eligible to do that, because the last time, if you remember, if I just perform find all and this last text dot text, it was shows an error, right? So if I need to perform this particular operation, but because I need to perform this operation, so what I will do is I will just store it in a new variable and iterate it, writing this particular dot text. Okay, and there are some extra spacings are there. Okay, so this is the extra space you can see here, you can see here. So what I will write is dot text dot strip, and inside the strip I will pass blank, right? So that the space, okay, so I need to give space. Okay, 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 there is no space actually. So now I need to store this data in a list. So I will be write these are the meaning, right? So I will be write meaning, and this meaning will be an empty list. And now what I will write is for I in data, yeah. So actually I need this code, so I will just copy it and paste it over here, and then instead of print I will be write meaning dot append. Okay, so let's say I don't want all the data, I need the 5 data points, right? So I need 5 data points. So what I will do is I will initialize one particular counter. This is C for counter, and each and every time it comes it will check for uh, if the C value is less than 5. Let's say I need 5 values, then it will append the meaning value, and it will also increase its value by 1, right? So that's the thing, guys. And I need a else part, and basically this else part will be no, no calculation is needed, right? So now inside this meaning I will have, if I just go and check the length of meaning, it will be 5, right? Let me run this. Yeah, it's 5. And now I like to see what's inside this meaning. You can see, yeah, these are the meaning, right? So these are the first five meanings. The definition of happy is someone or something that is feeling great, pleasure of joy. So this is this one here, you can see, right? So this is the thing, guys. So this is how you should scrape the meaning data. But if I want to scrape some synonyms, so I can just go here, and here you can see these are the synonyms of it. So now if I just go here and do inspect, here you can see, so synonym link wrapper, right? If I just click here, this synonym link wrapper. So if I just okay, so the URL is also changed, guys. So I need to again initialize this URL. So this time what I will do is I will just, this response will be changed. So I will write this, copy this, I will just paste it here, and I will be writing URL1, and inside this URL1 I need to pass this. I will just first copy it, again paste it, cut, and again I will do a format, and inside this I will pass happy, and it will be our URL1. Now what I need to do is I need this soup, so we just copy it, and it will be soup1. So let me first, okay, so it will be yeah, it will be our soup1, right? So and this will be response1, and it should be also response1, right? So yeah, what I need to do is again just let me check for soup1. Here it is, right? So the class was synonym link wrapper, right? So this is the class and this is the div. So what I will do is, now the code is very simple. I have the response. I will just go here, I'll just copy this entire one. I'll just come back here and replace this meaning with synonym. I will be right, synonym. What happened is, I don't know what happened. Synonyms, right? And this data will be soup1 dot find all, and inside this it will be div, and what happened is, okay, so it was selected to markdown, it will be code. So yeah, now I'll just go and, sorry, did I HTML, and I will just copy it, just copy and paste it, and here I will be write class. Okay, so okay, so everything looks fine. Okay, it looks fine. So let me run this, and if I just go to synonyms, oh, it's empty one, because oh, I'm appending in meaning, so that's why the synonym is not here. So I need to write synonym. Yeah, so these are the five synonyms are there, right? And if I wants to implement this on the sentences, what I need to do, I need to just go here and do a inspect. Okay, this is the paragraph, dictionary, sentence component, right? Sentence component. So this link is again changed, so I need to again define these things. So I will just copy it, I will paste it here, and I need to change this to URL2, and now I need to format this one, so I will be just copy this URL. Just go here and paste it. Okay, so it will be our URL2, it will be our response2, it will be our response2, this will be our soup2. Okay, so uh, again, the approach is very simple. We have this URL2, so I will just check soup2. Okay, so so this HTML is coming to us. Okay, here it is. Here is our HTML. It's taking a bit time. Yeah. So the approach is very simple, just like the last one. Here will be. I need to copy this. Just come and paste it. And instead of synonyms, it will be sentences. Yes. Sentences. To change this as well. Sentences.append, and this class will be converted to. Just let me go to edit as HTML and copy this class. We just copy this and now paste it over here. Now we have the sentences. Oh, okay. So it shows an error. What is this? Sentence component. Oh, actually, this was soup 1, so it should be soup 2 because this is the soup 2, right? So if I run this, yeah. So these are the 5. So let's say I need 10 sentences. So the sentences are, so these are the sentences, right? So here you can see we have script. Happy to meet you at last. Here it is. So we have script. We have successfully script. So this is the very little amount of work in web scraping. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay with us for the second video where we will be build some REST API using Flask, and we will be deployed into Heroku, and using that particular REST API we will be building our application, right? So thanks for watching.